Okay guys, so I literally just woke up. Today I'm going to a friend's house right now. I'm getting ready. I'm about to go take a shower, so when I get out, I'll get back to you. So I'm out. We're going to Broad River, and I don't know if we'll be swimming or we might be fishing. Something like that. But I'm ready, and I got a little problem. I can't find my other side. So, whoops. But when he gets here, I guess we'll go and we'll have a little adventure vlog there. We're gonna be hiking and stuff like that, so it'll be really fun. But I'm gonna be doing gaming videos today, and I'll be uploading challenges and stuff today with him. He's like my best friend, so it'll be fun. But when he gets here, I'll vlog.
Nah.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Well, it's this.
There's people.
Balbay!
Is there water on the thing? I think there's water on the camera. There's a guy's shirts. Ew. Well, I'm so tired. What you doing? My feet! Okay, so I managed to get up here. Somehow.
I love nature.
He loves nature. Look how big that tree is. God. You are so beautiful. Oh my god. I wonder if I can jump down here with no shoes on. Parkour.
Bad on my leg.
We should have brought our other freaking shoes.
Oh my god, they're flat. Dude.
What, dude?
What? Stop.
Why are you laughing like a friend?
Cause I don't know. It's my laugh.
You laugh is
When I'm God, that was like a freaking monkey. I got this. Okay, so I dropped the phone and myself. It didn't hurt, but it just scared the living it scared the living crap out of me.
Wait, this was just.
It goes fast. Like very fast. I want to attempt that again. I'm gonna attempt that again.
He was halfway up and then he just faced me.
What video are you doing it? Hold on.
Don't put your hand over the face. Or the camera or the
That was the funniest crap ever.
If you like this video, subscribe for more. See you guys next time.